Hey everybody, it's Eric Orland here. I'm sitting out in my balcony in Puerto Rico, and I wanted to convey a quick message to you about a real estate platform that I stumbled across maybe a month and a half, 2 months ago, called Rockstar Agent. If you have not heard about Rockstar Agent yet, I promise you it's something you will hear about. It is absolutely revolutionizing the real estate sector by helping agents take up their level of production to levels, quite frankly, that most agents never dream possible, and having fun in the process. What they've done is they have created a system, right, that is very different from how agents typically learn. Think about how most agents learn. You sit in a room, you gather information from someone that's talking to you. Typically, that information is regurgitated, right? It's stale, it's old, it's boring, quite frankly. With Rockstar Agent, completely the opposite. They've created a game where you are an independent agent, you're put on a team, competing, having fun against other teams. You also have the ability to track your results. What the company has brilliantly done is they take a disc profile and they look at your personality traits. They look at the things that you not only enjoy doing, but the things that you excel at, and they give you specific real estate tasks and activities that coincide with these personality traits, ensuring that you'll have fun taking action. Makes total sense to me, right? The more points that you earn, there's a direct correlation to the amount of money that you're going to make. What I can tell you this, in my 30 years in the industry, mostly spent as a real estate coach, I'm seeing agents double, triple, quadruple their level of production year over year. The founder of the company, Rob Tucker, I will make the following commitment to you. I promise you, these are incredible long-term impact on your level of production as a real estate professional. You know, we're constantly out there looking for new tools, new systems that allow us to elevate our business. Folks, this is right here for the taking. And see if this is something that aligns with the direction you'd like to take your business. I can promise you this, you'll be happy that you did. Thanks, and have a great rest of the evening.